Happy morning, children. Today we will discuss the concept of determinant. Now, if you are going to write the example in this form, A, B, C, D. Now, A, B, C, D means they are representing numbers. If we are writing it like this, two lines have been drawn. Here, four numbers we are going to take. A, B, C, D, they are representing numbers. It is called as a determinant. Where A, B, C, D. If you are looking at like this, A, B and C, D, they are called as rows. And if you are going to look at like this vertically, it is A and C, B and D. They are called as columns. So degree of this determinant is 2. Now why we are saying it's a degree is 2? Because there are two elements. In each row, there are two rows A, B, C, D. Two elements are there. Columns wise, if you see, two elements are there. So the degree is 2. So it can come as a one more question also. Now, determinant represents a number. So just I already explained you. Now, if you want to solve the determinant, what you have to do? We have to cross multiply. See, it's given here. Like this cross is also sign is given. A into D minus B into C. So you can look at it as a formula. If I want to solve this, see one example is given. Find the values of the determinant. A is 5, B is 3, C is 7, D is 9. So if I want to solve, what I will do? A into D minus B into C. So the first example given here is C. 5 into 9. 5 into 9 minus from where it has come? Here, AD minus BC, minus 3 into 7, which is equal to 45. 9 5 is 45, 7 3 is 21, which is equal to 24. Same way here for n. Now when you have, very important to note, for the second example, if you see, A is minus 8. It's a negative integer. This is negative integer. So they have put one more bracket. Now here if you see, only round bracket is there, right? But here there is square bracket also and round bracket also. This point you should know. And minus is from the formula. This also you should know. Minus 8 into 4 cross. Minus is from the formula. Into minus 3 into 2. Negative integer in bracket. Okay. So now minus 8 into 4 is minus 32. 8 4s are 32. Minus. Here no sign means plus. Minus into plus. Minus. So you are getting minus 32. Here this minus is from the formula. Minus 3 into 2 is minus into plus minus. So minus 6 you are getting. So minus 32. Now bracket is here. Minus into minus plus. So minus 32 plus 6 is equal to minus 26. Now same way this example is given to you. Again cross multiply. 2 root 3 into 3 root 3 minus 2 into 9, which is equal to, now here root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 into 2 3, this is 2 into 3, that is 6. 6 3s are 18 minus 9 into 2 18. 18 minus 18 0. So this way you can find values of the determinant. And same type of example is given in your textbook practice set 1.3. The activity based example. See, fill in the blanks with correct numbers. So 3 4 2 5. A B C D. So 3, as I said, into 5. So here you will write 5 minus 2 into 4. So you will write here 2 into 4. So 3 into 5 is 15. So you will write here 15. And minus, as I told you, 2 into 4 is 8. So here already 8 is given, right? So here 15 minus 8 will be 7. Like this you should be able to solve this for homework. Same type of example. Then find the value of the following determinant. This also you can solve. Minus 1 you have to write it in bracket. Into 4. Minus is from the formula, as I said, AD minus BC. 7 into 2. Same way. So further you can solve. Second one also. 5 into 0 minus. then again here minus 7 is there. So I told you, you have to put round bracket minus 7. This one. When you are solving this type of example, you have to put brackets properly. Okay. So this one example I'll just solve and show it to you. So here 5 into 0. So that will be 5 into 0. Minus is from the formula. 3 into minus 7. 3. Now as I told you, we will, here negative sign is there. So we will put like this square bracket. Okay. Into. Now for this we will take a round bracket. Minus 7 like this. Okay. Here also we will put like this. Which is equal to 5 into 0 is 0. Minus 3 into minus 7. Now there is no sign given for 3, means it is plus. Plus into minus is minus. So 3 into minus 7 will be minus 21. Okay, which is equal to 0. Here bracket means multiplication. Minus into minus is equal to plus. So you will get plus 21, which is equal to 21. This way you have to solve.